Great Pretender. What we have here is an expression of love for art. It's a treat in every sense of phrase, being sweet to the taste beyond expectations and a rarity worth your appreciation. As time goes on, television ad rates plumets and production committees get stingier and stingier with their limited funding and manpower. Impossibly ambitious original anime becomes more and more financially harrowing to fund and logistically nightmarish to create. Yet somehow here we have it. The beauty to behold, Great Pretender. There are many confident men in this world. Some people act for money. If they did mistaken once, they loses everything. It serves them right though because they are villains. Well, exceptions exist everywhere, and thus exceptions brings out excellent skills in some cases and keep surviving like pro. The group name is unknown, but we can know their existence as Great Pretender. In Los Angeles, Makoto Edamura's trouble begins continuously. He is the show's main character and his nickname is Edamame. He is known for a very famous confident man in Japan. However, his luck didn't continue forever. One day, Edamura was cheated out of his money by a certain person. He was forced to go to America by chasing that person. Main story starts from here though. Edamura would be caught up in lot of cases. At first, I love Edamura's personality so much. He is very clever, sensitive and clumsy in a good way. His English accent is really funny, in other words, strong accent. Edamura isn't a perfect human. His past is very cruel and sad. Not only Edamura, but there are many smart characters in the show. Laurent, Abigail and Cynthia. They also are main characters and you can expect their character developments too. It's amazing. Abigail is hot-tempered, grumpy and military woman. She has a fatal bond with Laurent. And there's Cynthia. She is quite sexy and confessive woman. Her fascinating looks and speaking would confuse every enemy. Don't underestimate her true powers. She is understandable with her companions at the same time. And again there's Laurent. He is the most mysterious guy. His information is all riddle. Although he is basically a good man, he already sees through Edamura's potential before meeting. He is a genius. Wit Studios visuals won't disappoint you. They have been doing really good job just like Attack on Titan. Great Pretender is no exception too. Very colorful, detailed and well made animation, especially opening and the jazz. It reminds me of the Bakano and the Cowboy Bebop strongly. Their working never betrays us and I also praise their world level hard work. I wanna appreciate them. Music and the voice acting's also eargasm. Ending song is also brilliant. Great Pretender is a great show. Every episode will get you hooked and hooked more and more. Many exciting scenes, well written characters, mature style. This show is definitely targeted for older people or adult audience. Not your typical crime thriller at all. I love this show from my heart. I recommend this Great Pretender gem to every one of you. The story is captivating and flows very well. It is also fast paced and unpredictable. The TV and the movie references are great as well. I love that they mention Walter White from Breaking Bad because that was the definitely first thing that I thought of when I started the story and started the anime. The art is very colorful and the fun to look at. The animation is also very fluid and clean. It looks like arcs are going to take place in different countries and cities. So I'm excited to see future landscapes as well because there will be different cities, there will be different backgrounds and it will be looking really good. The original soundtracks is very jazzy and I'm digging it. As I said, it just reminds me of the Cowboy Bebop vibe. And again the characters are very fun. The great chemistry between characters is already apparent too. We have only gotten a bit of Edamura's backstory so far and it was really good, sad and relatable. Obviously I am in love with this show so far, so enjoyment is 10 out of 10 for this show. Overall I will rate 9 out of 10 for this show. Don't let the current score steer you away from watching it because many people are saying that this is a bad show, this and that. Don't just go on their opinions, you will miss a masterpiece. So you should watch Great Pretender as soon as possible. If you have already watched Great Pretender, let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. What do you think about Great Pretender? I really love that show. And if you haven't watched Great Pretender yet, you should do it as soon as possible. And that was my review about Great Pretender. I tried to keep the story as secret as possible because it will spoil pretty much all of the starting episodes for you if I will explain the plot of the series. So that's why I haven't explained the plot and I have just explained the character and the music and the opening, ending, animation quality, and all of the things which won't spoil you anyway. So if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.